Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. You can see the base dimension here 165, 66 and thickness is 12 mm. Select here standard metric template. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select 2D sketch, select the plane. Create one center rectangle, give the dimensions 66 and 165. So finish sketch, extrude up to 12 mm. Next there is a one flange bottom. Select the surface, sketch, create one circle here. The diameter is dia 56 and 34. 56. Create one more circle, 34. Give the dimension from the side 42 and from the top 54. From the side and this is 54. Create line like this. Select here trim entities, trim this line. So finish sketch, extrude, select this face, reverse the direction. Okay, so we can mirror this extrusion. Select the extrusion, mirror about here, select the mid plane. Okay, next select the XY plane, new sketch, create one circle here. The diameter is dia 48 and dia 20. So height from the base is 50 mm. This is also 50 mm. So finish sketch, extrude, select this face, mid plane. The length is, I think it is equal to this base, 66. Next you can see there is a two ribs, that thickness is 9 mm, the pitch is 19 mm. For this we need to take one plane. So select the plane here, mid plane, just offset minus 19/2. So select the plane, sketch, project geometry, select the circle, create sketch like this, give the dimension, here to here 60. This is 30. So give the tangent constraint, So this line is, we need to give one more dimension here. Just delete this line, create new line. Now try this one. I think this line is not straight, friends. Select this one, give the or trim these lines first. Now create one line. Now give the constraints. Okay. Give the dimensions. Now you can see sketch is fully constrained because that bottom line is not straight. So finish sketch, extrude. So here only we need one direction, that length is 9 mm. Okay. We can mirror this rib. I think this is, select this extrusion, edit feature, reverse the direction. Okay. So now it is perfect. So we can hide this plane. Next, select this surface. There is a one slot cutout. For that, select two slot. Diameter is 15. So the dimension from the side 42. Give the horizontal constraint. This slot length is 36 mm. So finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction. Here we can select up to next. Okay. Next, select the same surface sketch. Select here project geometry. Select this cutout. Go to offset up to 4 mm. So finish sketch, extrude. The height is 8 mm. So next here one cutout is there. The diameter is 35 mm, depth is 12 mm. Give the coincident constraint. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction 12 mm. Go to ISO view. So all the features are completed. If anything is missing, you can leave the comment below. Definitely I will revert back to you. So now we can assign the material. So I will assign iron cast. or so all the standard materials here, stainless steel, and polishes we can give this is the stainless steel polishes. These are all the standard polishes. So we can change the color here friends. Select adjust, select the entire part. So like this we can assign some colors also. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you enjoy this session. See, we can close all these commands, just collapse all. So we can open all at a time, expand all. So that's the today's session friends. So thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.